Hello friends, today we are going to study external genitalia in female reproductive system. Okay, so the external genitalia is collectively called as a vulva. Okay, it is called as a vulva. Okay, so we will start the external genitalia from the anterior position. Okay, so at the anterior position there is a presence of mons pubis. Okay, so mons pubis is a cushion of tissue. It is a cushion of tissue with skin and hair. Okay, with skin and hair. Okay, so this is a mons pubis. Okay, so diagrammatically we can see this is a mons pubis. It has a tissue cushion and also it has a hairs. Okay, so this is a mons pubis. So below the mons pubis there is a presence of vulva. Okay, so this is a vulva. So this is a vulva. Okay. On the top of vulva, there is a presence of one erectile tissue that is called clitoris. This is a clitoris. Okay, so it is a erectile tissue. Okay, and this tissue is equivalent or homologous to male penis. Okay, on the top of this clitoris, there is a presence of one folding, and that folding is called as prepuce of clitoris. This is called prepuce of clitoris. Okay, it covers the clitoris. Now in this vulva there are two openings. One opening, that is upper opening, is for urinal, that is a urinal opening, and lower opening, this is a vaginal opening. So this is a vaginal opening. Okay, now both of these openings are covered with the folds, that is a pair of fold, and this fold is called labia minora. Okay, so this fold is called labia minora. So this is called labia minora. Okay, so these folds are called labia minora. Okay, again on each side of this vaginal opening there is a presence of two glands. Okay, so this is one gland, another one is this gland, another one is this gland. So these glands are called as the opening of Bartholin's gland. Okay, opening of Bartholin glands. These two are the opening of Bartholin gland. Okay, now again the region between labia minora is called vestibule. So this is called vestibule. Okay, so this is a vestibule. So in vestibule we do have two openings. One opening is for urinal opening, another one is for vaginal opening, and on the two sides of the vaginal opening there is a presence of two more opening, that is the opening of Bartholin's gland. Okay, now outside this labia minora there is a presence of another fold, and this fold is called labia majora. Okay, so this fold is called labia majora. So this is the labia majora. Okay, and so this is a labia majora, and then these two are the legs. Okay. Then this labia minora, they fuse at the posterior region, and that part is called as forchite. That part is called as a forchite. Okay. And then again this part is then after that there is a presence of anus. Okay, there is a presence of anus. Okay, and the region between the forchite and anus is called perineum. This is called perineum. Okay. Okay, so this is the external genitalia in female reproductive system. Okay, now I will quickly revise whatever we have studied. So the upper or anterior position, anterior region in the female genitalia is a mons penis. Okay, it is a cushion of tissue with skin and hairs. Okay, below that there is a vulva. Vulva is basically collective external genitalia or depression in female reproductive system. Okay, now on the top of the vulva there is a presence of one erectile tissue, and that tissue is called as a clitoris. That is called as a clitoris. Below of this clitoris is covered with the prepuce of clitoris. Okay, prepuce of clitoris is a folding which covers the clitoris. Now below that there is a presence of two opening. There are the presence of two opening. One opening is urinal opening, another one is a vaginal opening. On the both side of the vaginal opening there is a presence of opening of Bartholin's gland. Okay, now these openings are covered with the fold of tissue that is called labia minora. Okay, labia minora covers these two openings, and after that there is a bigger region that is called as labia majora. That is called labia majora. Now the region between the labia minora is called vestibule. Okay, this labia minora fuses at the posterior region, and that region is called forchite, and the region between the forchite and anus is called as a perineum. Okay. Okay, now we will see what are the organs which are equivalent to male penis. Okay, so the clitoris in female reproductive system is equivalent to or homologous to male penis. Homologous to male penis. Okay, then after that the labia majora. Okay, so labia majora, it is equivalent to the scrotum, homologous to scrotum, male scrotum, homologous to male scrotum. Okay, labia minora is equivalent to or it is homologous to penile urethra. Equivalent or homologous to penile urethra. Okay, now the vestibule. Okay, so vestibule is homologous to membranous urethra. Okay, so these are the different regions in the in external genitalia in female reproductive system. Okay, now we will see glands in female reproductive system. Okay, so there are two glands. There are two glands present in female genitalia. Glands in female genitalia. Okay, so there are two glands. First gland is called, lesser vestibular gland. Okay, and another gland is called as a greater vestibular gland. Okay, so lesser vestibular gland and greater vestibular gland. This lesser vestibular gland is also called as a paraurethral gland. Gland, okay, or gland of Skinner. Gland of Skinner. Okay, whereas the greater vestibular gland is also called as a Bartholin's gland. Bartholin gland. Okay, now we will see its the description of these glands. Okay, so first one is a lesser vestibular gland or paraurethral gland or gland of Skinner. So these glands are present in numerous in number. Okay, they are numerous and they are the minute glands. They are small glands. Okay, numerous and minute glands. Okay, also they are present on either side of urethral opening okay, and they secrete mucus. Okay, so what is the function of mucus? Mucus act as a lubricant. Okay, mucus act as a lubricant when penis enters into the vagina or in vulva. Okay, now this lesser vestibular gland, this gland is homologous to male prostate gland. Okay, so this lesser vestibular gland, they are numerous in number. They are minute glands. Okay, they are present on either side of the urethral opening. They are small glands. Okay, then they secrete the mucus. Okay, the mucus is acting as a lubricant, and this lesser vestibular gland is homologous to male prostate gland. Okay, now the next part is the greater vestibular gland. It is also called as a Bartholin's gland. Okay, now this Bartholin gland, it is a pair of gland. Okay, it is a pair of gland, and you remember in external genitalia we have shown in this red pen, red color. These two openings are for the Bartholin gland. Okay, they are opening for the Bartholin gland. Okay, so it is a pair of gland. Okay, it is situated on either side of vaginal opening. Okay, also it secretes viscid fluid. Okay, and it is also act as a lubricant. Okay, it is act as a lubricant when penis enters into the vagina. Okay, now this greater vestibular gland or Bartholin gland, this gland is homologous to bulbourethral gland. Okay, of male reproductive system. Okay, so this gland is homologous to bulbourethral gland, or it is also called Cowper's gland. Okay, so this is a description of glands present in the female genitalia or female reproductive system. Okay, now we will see the breast part.